In this video, I will show you how to get YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open the YouTube app on your TV. So the YouTube app is actually automatically installed on your TV once you buy your Samsung Smart TV. So open the app and then use your remote to select the sign in icon. So select sign in and then on your mobile or PC, go to youtube.com/activate and then enter the activation code when prompted. After that, click allow to accept YouTube's terms and conditions. And when you complete the sign in process, you'll see the confirmation screen in the app. Enjoy your favorite videos on the big screen so you can go ahead and watch the videos you like immediately on YouTube, and that's basically how you can get YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.